is another type of strategy here that is worth mentioning. And it's not one of the generic five. And we refer to this as a blue ocean strategy. Before you can understand what a blue ocean strategy is, you have to understand what a red ocean strategy is. A red ocean strategy is what normal business people think of when we talk about strategy. We're trying to gain existing market share. But they call it red ocean because the competitors in the industry are like sharks attacking each other, and they're kind of out to kill, and they leave the ocean red with blood, and so they call it red ocean. A blue ocean strategy is uncontested, therefore there's no blood in the water, and it's clean and it's blue. And blue ocean strategies concentrate primarily on creating new uncontested markets rather than fighting for existing market share. Some of the principles of a blue ocean strategy is that they reconstruct the market boundaries. There is an assumption here that the people that we think are using the product are the only ones that can use the product. But a lot of times a blue ocean strategy revolves around why aren't people using the product and how do we get to them. They focus more on the big picture and not necessarily on the numbers. They look at the value and cost trade-off rather than profit margins strictly. This is a hybrid strategy. Some companies do this on purpose and do it very well. So what they try to do is drive down the cost while increasing value. They reach beyond the existing demand. They shift from a supply, here we have all this stuff we need to get people to buy it, to a demand point of view. So how do we create untapped demand? We have to get the strategic sequence right. We have to redefine the problem. We have to look at alternatives, not just the competition. We look at non-customers instead of customers. A blue ocean strategy is not a little more for a little less kind of an approach. We have to overcome organizational hurdles. Cognitive, which deals with positive impact on change. Resources, what resources will give us the best results. Motivational, how do we convince people that this is the way to move and to do so forcefully and powerfully. And political, how do we remove, and this is internal barriers to implementing a blue ocean strategy. We have several tools that we use. There will be videos up. The first is a business model. This is the business model canvas, very popular. And this one is computerized, but you can actually just do this with, and it's recommended sometimes that you just do this with sticky notes that you can take off and put on. Another tool that we use is what's called the 4-action framework. Reduce, create, eliminate, and raise. So eliminate things that the industry offers that the organization might not need to. Maybe the customers don't care that much about it. What is it that the industry offers that non-users might find important? We want to raise those items up. What does the industry offer that's not important to non-users? Let's reduce those. Maybe customer service isn't that important. People think we're charging too much because customer service is too high. And then find out what factors should be created that the industry doesn't offer, and create those. And that's kind of the whole gist of how the blue ocean strategy works. Another tool that we use is the strategy canvas, and we look at our competition in broad terms. For example, we're going to look at premium and budget. So we look at premium pet stores and we can see that they have a relatively low product selection, a pretty good medium-high pet selection, above the line marketing, which is just broad marketing to people. It's not customized to a person. And then high price, reputation, quality, and customer service. Then we can look at the big box pet stores like Pets R Us. When we see that they have a good product selection, medium low pet selection, very little below above the line marketing. This is one of the ways they keep their prices low. And their price and reputation are medium low, quality medium at best. Customer service and the services that they offer are kind of down. Then, if you look at us, we're the red line. We have a medium product selection, better than a premium store, but not as good as a box store. We don't offer pets anymore. We've decided no pets. So we have very low pet selection, and all of our marketing is customized. We have a medium price somewhere between the two. We have a medium reputation somewhere between the two. We have medium quality somewhere between the two. We have better customer service than the box stores, but not like the premium pet stores. We offer services at a pretty high level. The premiums don't at all, and the big box pet stores, maybe what we're offering is a veterinary on call for just shots and stuff. But we also offer something that neither one offers, and that's because we don't offer pets, we offer breeder lists. So what we're trying to do is fit inside this. Where can we find value that people want? So how do we know this? Well, we've probably done surveys and talked to people. One thing, the things that you have to remember is you can't be good at everything. Okay, otherwise you're going to be way up here and it's going to cost too much and people aren't going to do it. Find the need. The people want something more customer service, but they don't want to pay premium prices for it, or they want a decent selection at a moderate price. Okay, look at the hybrid. Look at the hybrid right there. Find the need. Get a tagline that speaks to the market. Okay, that convinces the market that this is what you need to do. And that is the end of chapter 4.